This is why your Honda Ridgeline wireless charger is driving you crazy. But don't worry, most fixes are simple. Here's how to solve it. First, check if your Ridgeline is in drive or reverse. The wireless charger only works when you're in park. Next, make sure your phone is centered on the charging pad. If it's off by even a little bit, it won't charge. Still not working? Double-check that your phone supports wireless charging. Some older phones need a special case or just won't work at all. Now look for the charger indicator light. If it's flashing, that means there's a problem. Maybe a metal object like keys or coins is on the pad. Remove anything that isn't your phone. If the light isn't on at all, try restarting your vehicle. Sometimes the system just needs a reset. Another common fix? Open your owner's manual and find the fuse box diagram. Check if the wireless charger fuse is blown. If you know how, swap it out for a new one. And finally, remember, your Ridgeline's wireless charger isn't super fast. If your phone is almost dead, it might take a while to notice any progress. Still no luck? It could be time to visit your local Honda dealer just to be safe. That's it. Try these tips and your Ridgeline wireless charger should be back in business.